GWAAN KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Just got home from work and decided to record this reaction video. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna be reacting to natural hair videos on TikTok. You know your girl into natural hair. I haven't done my natural hair in a while on my channel, probably like a month or two ago, but I'm gonna get back into doing these natural hairstyles for you guys. But for this video, I'm gonna be reacting to natural hairstyles because you know TikTok is popping. TikTok have a buzz. TikTok giving what it's supposed to give. So we are gonna see what going over on TikTok. Do not disturb on, screen record on. Let's get right into it. Okay, Caribbean TikTok. So I guess this is a Caribbean girl. That's the first thing I noticed. Second, I love your hair. Your hair looks healthy, nice. It says natural hairstyles, so I'm guessing her hair is natural and she did like a blowout, or she probably straightened it or something. But her makeup, it's simple but it's on fleek. Her makeup is giving what it's supposed to give it. I love her brows and lashes and those baby hair. By the way, I'm here sipping on some tea, some bush tea. You know we island people love with bush tea and something. It says teacher. Yeah, I'm a teacher. But yeah, just a sip on some bush tea. If you guys hear any noise, like any little noise in the background, it's raining outside right now. Yeah, further weather bipolar bad. But let's move on. Her braid out, listen, I still haven't mastered the braid out for natural hair as yet. I used to with my relaxed hair, but braid out don't work for me. Her braid out was bomb. It was giving what it was supposed to give. Love it for you, girl. Maybe because, I don't know, I can't even guess why, but braid out and twist out, and I kind of get it, but the braid out, nothing for me. But I love it for she. I always love her videos. She's so beautiful. Nice girl, nice girl. Alright, let's see what Naturally Sunny got going on. She did that. Her cut was, yeah, you did that. Neat bod. And then the curls and everything just got together. Color, don't even mention the color. Ooh, this looks cute.
Good morning, guys. So let's do my hair, of course. I have my hair in a turvy twist. If you don't have a turvy twist, what are you doing? Damaging your hair. So I used to do this hairstyle a lot when I had really short hair. So we're gonna try it on my longer hair. So let's get started. So first, let's section this middle part. Cannot start without moisturizing. So I parted the first section. I'm gonna split it in half and then tie it with rubber bands. It should look like this, and then I'm gonna attach this first piece to this piece. It should look similar to this. When my hair was shorter, I used to just be able to leave the hair out, but yeah. Let's do it to the rest of my head. One side is down. Let's finish the other. So I did this side, I finished it. I'm gonna finish up the back. lay my edges, and then show you guys the final look. Okay, this is the final look. I think I am obsessed with this hairstyle. It's so
cute.
Cute. But yeah, let me know what you guys
Let me
think.
see the back.
Morning, guys.
I love it. I mean, I've done my hair like that before. I just feel like my hair is too thick for these hairstyles. But baby hair, I gotta work on my baby hair. Hers are adult hair, whatever you guys call it. Baby hair, adult hair, edges. Her, girl, I love that for you. Like, all of the style of my Mrs. Safar of a buzz, giving what it's supposed to give. Trying Pinterest hairstyles. I like that. I do my hair like that sometimes, where I do like 2 braids, but it put both braids together, still not make up to one of my braids because of how thick my hair is. So it just look bulky. Sometimes it don't look that neat. Hers is neat because it's not too thick and bulky. First of all, let me say, I like her little tattoo in the back of her neck. I have tattoos here like stars, and she has a tattoo here somewhere here. Me too. Cute. Cute for you. Second, her hair is cute. A lot of people would see her hairstyle and say, oh, it's childish, or it's for, you know, school or kids. It's a kid hairstyle. But I would wear those. Like when I wear my hair like that, see, like when I have these plaits, people say I'm giving church vibes. May I give Christian vibe? Choir. You know, when you hit up on a choir in a church, I'm giving that. That's what I'm giving with this hairstyle. But little do you know that these hairstyles are the most protective hairstyle for your natural hair. So you see that hairstyle she just did? Yeah, it's cute. I love it. And I'm gonna try those too, because I always do these small ones. I want to try those big ones. And I don't think she used rubber bands. I think she used the hair tie, but the small ones, so those won't snag your hair. So that's what I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna try this style. Cute. Cute. That's a cute little high puff with the beads. I should try that too, because I have the beads. I have those hair jewelries. Well, not those exact ones. Those are cute. It's like the bends. I bends that? Peace sign. I like it. It's cute. Ooh, what's going on here? Whoa, I really need to work on my edge styles. Like, did y'all see that? Listen, her edges was giving what it's supposed to be giving. Like, I love that fair, that cute bod.
Here's a tutorial on one of my most complimented braid styles. First make a bang and tie it back. Not a doctor would have changed. I just pray they don't forget my name. Cause the game moves are changing. Next, put each side with ponytails. Make sure they aren't too tight. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. How much I'ma spare profiling? Hope you enjoy. Oh yeah, that's cute.
I never thought about that. That's cute. When I had braids, I never thought about, you know, styling my braids like that. That's actually cute. Oh wow, before I started the video, I thought she had like hair jewelries in her hair, but it was actually the filter, and it looked like hair jewelries, so that's why I wanted to see what hair jewelry those were. But yeah, but you have nice hair, girl. I love your curls. Cute. I really thought those were hair jewelries. It fit her. Short hair fit her. It wouldn't fit me at all. Because when I big chop, it wasn't that short, but still it neither fit me. Fit you though. Alright, let's see. Definitely try that, but the size, it would have taken me out 2 days. That's the part, the size, and it looks cuter that way when it's that small. It looks more beautiful, but the time is gonna take me 2 days. I like it though. That's cute, and I like the color. Exactly what she said. Yeah, what she said. I love to give people these advices, how to grow their hair, tips to grow their natural hair, but I am not taking those advices for myself, because ever since 2021 I haven't been taking care of my hair the way I'm supposed to, like how I usually take care of my hair, with the whole deep conditioning thing, moisturizing my hair and stuff. But I know what to do, so I feel like it's not growing as much as how it used to, but she's right. Half wig, $15. Did y'all see that? Who would have thought to do something like that with a half wig and the 2 buns? Girl, this win. That's the one. You did that.
Hairstyles to try on your natural hair.
Trying to style on my pretty natural hair. I had to go sit in front of my vanity for better lighting. That's a flip tummy. She did it! Trying to style on.
She did it. I want to straighten my natural hair so bad, but I'm scared. That was cute. Those butterfly clips, I used to wear those in high school. I remember wearing those in high school, man. Those were the ish. I have to find those. And they used to like move, like every time you walk or you're in the breeze or something, it just, that was cute. That's a cute hairstyle. Like, I need to explore more with my hairstyle and not just doing box braids and all of that. I tried the passion twist a couple for my birthday, but I didn't record it. But I need to try all these butterfly locks, spring twists. I need to get into it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell right there so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, like this video, like it up. Please hit that thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite style that you saw in this video. Thank you so much for the support, for your support. I appreciate it. And stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.